market address and declare the games open.
Ahom Basilai Mor Namaskar. गवर्नर श्रीमान पद्मनाभ जी, मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमान तरुण जी, गवर्नर श्रीमान वी षणमुगनाथन, मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमान डॉक्टर मुकुल सांगमा, मंत्रिपरिषद के मेरे साथी सर्बानंद जी सोनवाल, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी, राज्य के मंत्री श्रीमान अजीत सिंह, डेलीगेशन फ्रॉम सार्क कंट्रीज, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I feel privileged and honored to be among sports persons from our neighborhood and brothers and sisters from SAARC countries. I welcome all of you to India, a country known for its culture of Atithi Devo Bhava. And to this beautiful city of Guwahati, known for its hospitality and love for sports. What moves me today is your electrifying presence, full of excitement and enthusiasm for this important international sports event on the banks of the mighty Brahmaputra. Guwahati has come a long way since the days of Prayag Jyotishpura in ancient India. It is now a modern and vibrant city and a hub of all economic activities in the northeastern region of India. Young people in Northeast and especially here in Assam do not miss any opportunity to witness a good football match. This fame has spread also far and wide that FIFA World Cup under 17, which will be hosted first time in India in 2017, has chosen Guwahati as a prime venue for the event. This sports meet, for me, signifies a perfect blend of three T's: teamwork and togetherness and talent. Among us is the best and most youthful talent from across South Asia. You are proud member of your team. It can be your team of the sport you play and a larger team of the nation you are representing. And at the same time, this meet also celebrates togetherness of all South Asian nations. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. No matter which country we are from, we all call South Asia our home. Sport has to be an essential part of an individual's life. A good game is both healthy and refreshing. All around development of the personality is incomplete without sports. Most importantly, sports bring with it the most vital sportsman spirit. Without sports, there cannot be any sportsman spirit. This sportsman spirit will not only help you on the field, but also in other aspects of your life. You will cherish whatever you learn on the sports field for your entire life. I always say, जो खेले वो खिले. The person who plays shines. The mascot of these games, Tikhor, represents a baby rhino who is sharp and intelligent. It captures the spirit of sports persons and young sports lovers. The theme song of this game is "Ye Prithvi Ek Kirangan, Kira Hol Shantir Pongan," sung by legendary late Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, a singer whose captivating voice left people spellbound. His song beautifully captures the spirit of South Asian Games, the spirit of peace, friendship, and prosperity. I have been told by Sri Sarbanandji Sonowalji that the organizing committee for the games has brought waters from each of the 8 SAARC countries. And these waters will be merged to signify shared aspirations and cooperative spirit among the SAARC nations. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's song, "We Are in the Same Boat, Brother," which you are going to hear soon, is all about SAARC nations. We should join hands together as a family. Let us kindle the spirit of friendship to sports in South Asian Games. My vision for South Asia is the same as my vision for India, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. All South Asian countries are partners in our journey towards development. We, the people living in SAARC countries, comprise 21% of the world's population and contribute 9% to its economy. As we gather today to cover the 12th South Asian Games, for 23rd sporting events covering both men and women, we bring sports persons from all SAARC countries to India's northeast and to this great city and a spirit of friendship, trust, and understanding. I'm sure that as the games proceed, this feeling of friendship, trust, and understanding will convert itself not only into sporting opportunities, but also into business and tourism opportunities as well. Let these games become a springboard for bringing peace and prosperity in the region through business, interaction, and sporting activities. Let this be an opportunity for SAARC people to realize their potential. Sportsmanship is a philosophy of life, harmonizing in a balanced whole the qualities of endurance, will, and mind, the challenge for performance, the joy of efforts, the cheer of success, the spirit of friendship, and fair play in a sports arena speaks volumes about now how culture, education, ethics, dignity, and society get intertwined with each other during such sports events. On the sports field, we can forget what separates us, and we can truly connect with each other in the spirit of sportsmanship and adventure. We can celebrate our diversity and at the same time be united under common rules for our sports and the shared values of honesty and fair play. Let us play for peace. Let us play for prosperity. Let us play with full vigor and enthusiasm so that we remember these games even after they are over. The friendships you made from over these 12 days and the memories you take back will last you a lifetime. I am confident that you will cherish these bonds and become ambassadors for peace and friendship between our nations. While people play for medals and provide tough competition to each other, I urge the sports persons and visitors here to take time from their busy schedule to visit the places of tourism attraction and wonderful wildlife sanctuaries nearby. Once again, I welcome our friends from SAARC countries. Let the spirit of Gurukul prevail for 2 weeks in Guwahati as sports persons share with each other their best and take back great feeling with warmth and remarkable experience. Let the competition be in true sportsman spirit. May the best win. And now, I declare the 12th South Asian Games open. Thank you very much.
What a moment. The games have officially begun. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the torch of the games.
As tradition demands, we are now going to proceed towards a very important juncture of this evening, the torch relay. I would like to mention that the torch for the 12th South Asian Games is the world's first ever bamboo torch, which symbolizes the northeast of India. The torch is decorated with the colors of the flags of the 8 participating SAARC nations to showcase unity and sportsmanship.